In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate ROI in Google Ads call ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in your account to understand what you're getting back from what you spend. Return on investment, or ROI, is a simple idea. It compares the value you get from your advertising to the cost of that advertising. For call ads, that value usually comes from the phone calls your ads generate. If your account already tracks call conversions with values, Google Ads will summarize those results so you can judge ROI at a glance. Start by opening your Google Ads account and head straight to Campaigns. This takes you to the main workspace where all of your campaigns live, including any call ad campaigns you're running. From there, go to the Overview section. The Overview page is designed to surface the most important metrics in one place, so it's the fastest way to check how efficiently your budget is turning into results. On the Overview page, you'll see a performance graph and a set of summary cards. This is where you can see your return on investment. Look for the metric controls on the chart or the cards. Simply click the metric picker and select Cost to make sure you're seeing exactly what you spent. Keeping cost visible lets you compare your spend against the results Google Ads is reporting for your calls, such as conversions or conversion value, if those are already being tracked in your account. Here's how to interpret what you see. If your overview shows both cost and conversion value, you can gauge ROI by comparing the money in to the money out. As a rule of thumb, when conversion value is higher than cost, your ROI is positive. When it's lower, your ROI is negative. If you only see cost and conversions without value, you'll still get a sense of efficiency, but ROI specifically requires a value assigned to those call conversions ahead of time. A few tips to read this page confidently. Make sure you're looking at a meaningful date range so the numbers reflect enough activity to be reliable. Keep your focus on the campaigns that contain your call ads so your readings aren't mixed with other campaign types. And remember that attribution and call reporting can affect how conversions appear, so give the data time to settle before drawing conclusions. That's it. Open your account, click Campaigns, go to Overview, and use the metric control to select Cost so you can compare spend to the value reported for your calls and understand your ROI.